Hey you all, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a long requested video. I'm doing this fall look for you guys today. I've been trying to incorporate more makeup on my YouTube channel. So yeah, if you have not subscribed, go click that button for me and the bell so you get my notifications. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm taking my Morphe 35O palette and I'm taking this brown shade. I actually took the shade right beside it first and then went on with this one, but the footage deleted, so those two shades are in my crease and I'm just going to blend that out really nice. Now I'm taking this BH Cosmetics blending brush and taking this brown cranberry shade and putting that right in my crease, but not too much because I don't want to overpower the orange that I just put on. As you can see, it's really deepening that crease up, and you're just going to make sure you really focus on that so you don't have harsh lines, and it's looking real good. So I'm just taking my blending brush and just going back and blending it all out. Now I'm taking this orange and this coral shade and I'm just going to go on my lid and pack that on. And I forgot to mention that I did prime my eyes with concealer and then put a translucent powder on top just to make sure there's no creasing throughout the day. So I'm just going to continue packing that on to get it to the desired pigment that I want. Now you want to blend it all out, and I'm going back on my outer corner and just blend it a little bit more. Now I'm curling my lashes, and then I'm going to go on with my Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I'm just putting that on my lashes. All the products that I use will be in the description box. Now I'm taking this Billion Dollar Brows, and this is a brown shade, and I'm just going to go through with this spoolie and brush out my brows, and then lightly just fill in any sparse areas. I don't do too much like the concealer and all that, because I just like to keep it natural, and you all know that. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild primer and just putting that all over my face. And I'm not into like the big brands of makeup. I just do what I have, and then as I get better, I will continue to get better things. But I want to show you all you can get good makeup with cheap stuff. So this is the LA Girl Concealer in Natural, and you all know I love this. So I'm just putting that on my red areas, and this really blends out well. Now I'm taking my sister's beauty blender. It's not mine, but I'm just going to take that and blend out all of my concealer, and she does have a mini one for your eyes, but I forgot it and didn't feel like getting up, so I'm just going to go through and just blend this all out. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlight and contour palette, and I'm just taking that translucent shade and putting it everywhere that I put my concealer so it's not shiny. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild contour stick, and I like this because it is creamy, and I've just been obsessed with cream contours. So I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Now I'm taking this CoverGirl bronzer, and I just noticed it was upside down, but you know what, we're going to roll with it. And I just like to be bronze on, you know, it's like the fall, you just want to have a little bit of glow, so I'm just adding a little bit of extra bronzer. I'm taking the Milani blush in Luminoso and just putting that on my cheeks. Now you know we have to highlight, so I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighting stick and just getting everywhere that needs highlight. Now I'm just blending that out with my finger, and then I did add some on my brow bone just from the excess from when I was blending it out. Now I'm just blending everything out with my brush. Now I'm taking this Jordana Rock and Rose lip liner and lining my lips just to give myself a natural lip with this bold eye. Now I'm taking my NYX Butter Gloss and Tiramisu and just putting that on my lips. I'm taking my e.l.f. setting spray and just spraying that all over my face. Lastly, I'm taking this brow gel by LA Colors, and I'm just putting that on my brows. Now I'm taking this scarf, and I was just like, let me just add this to my look just to spice it up, and it matches perfectly with my eyeshadow, so I was hyped. So I do have this tutorial on one of my videos, but I just figured I'll do it again since this is to the side. Just gonna braid it down with your braids. Here is the final look. I did end up adding a wing onto my eyeliner, but I did that off camera because I'm not good at those at all. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm loving it. Let me know what you think, and please subscribe to my channel and comment anything else you want to see. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for the support. Love you all. Bye. Maybe it's